Yeah. Yes. Sounds like flipping war, doesn't it? Flipping it, man. Yes, folks, this is bonfire night. Well, no, actually, it's not bonfire night. It's officially bonfire night tomorrow, 5th of November. But a lot of official bonfires that are organised bonfire displays, firework displays, usually do it a couple of days or a day before the actual day. Kind of all depends on different things. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, missed it. Wow. Yeah, I didn't get any this year because I couldn't afford it. So, wow, listen to it, man. I keep saying I'm going to try and go to one of these organised ones, but they cost a lot of money actually. They're not free. They used to be. They used to do them free sometimes, the councils and stuff. But now you have to pay to them, and apparently they're not cheap either. I'm not sure what the prices are though, but I mean it's like, I don't know, 20 quid, 25 quid or something to go to these things, I don't know. But apparently they're not cheap. So, wow. Flipping it. I swear to God, when bonfire night kicks off, man, it does, it sounds like flipping, there's a war going on sometimes. The explosions and the flipping, what's there, man, it's, wow. Sounds like a flipping war zone. God, blimey. Ooh, missing it over there. See, there's a big one. There's a big one over here. That's more than likely at. Oh, I've forgotten the name of the park for a minute. What's that park called over there again? Oh, I can't remember for a moment. Look at that! Look, wow. Whoa! What the heck is that? This must be the smoke. I don't know what it is. Something going across the flipping. Wow, it's probably a. Yeah, it's probably the smoke, I guess. Sorry, folks. Sorry. Whoa. Oh. Wow. Whoa. Flipping heck. Joanne? Joanne? What's that park called over there? No, the park, the big park over there towards Herne Hill. What's it called again? I can't remember. For the life of me, I can't remember. I don't know why. You know, the park where... Huh? Herne Hill. God blown. Well, we like the pair of us. We lived here long enough and can't remember the name of the flipping park. I've even done videos there and I can't remember. Ugh. Brain's just not working at all. Watch it pop into my head after I've done this video. What? Oops. Hey? Wait a minute, wait. Sorry, wait. Okay, folks. Oh no, just missed one. Hang on. Wait, hang on. Wait. Oh, flipping heck! I was trying to capture these fireworks, man. Oh, great! Stopped again. There's a big, massive one just popped in the sky then, and I missed it. So I was turning around to speak. What? Oh yeah, Brockwell Park. That's it. Yeah. Brockwell Park. That's where that, more than likely that, oh great. What is the matter with me? Firework display will be happening. Oh my god. Look at this, wow. Whoa. So this is how we celebrate the 5th of November, guys. To remember about old Guy Fawkes getting caught and not blowing up the Houses of Parliament. Yeah. Oh man. Wow. It's funny when you think about it. I think there's not many human beings, there might be some, but I imagine there's not many human beings that are not completely and utterly captivated by massive explosions. Why is that? I know I am, to be perfectly honest with you. They fascinate me, they just seem so awe-inspiring, and yet, you know, obviously we don't want them for real, as it were. Do you know what I mean? But fascinating, captivating, enthralling. Right folks, got another video uploading as we speak, so I'm not sure when this one's going to go up, to be quite honest. I don't think this will need any editing necessarily, but because that one's uploading and it's going to take at least, I don't know, good 4 hours at least, because it's in 1080 again, it's 15 minutes long, it's going to take at least, let's say, at least 4 hours to upload, and it's now gone 9 o'clock I think, around about 9 o'clock at night. It's Saturday, so you may get this Sunday evening, possibly, maybe earlier than that. So I'll get this one up round about then. Okay, I don't know how long this is going to go on for, probably another hour or so maybe, I don't know. Yeah, wow. Okay folks, I'm going to leave it there for now. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.